Okay, so real super last minute. I'm heading up to Max's house right now because we're gonna go check out just to see if anybody's at the Lundy's Lane car meet. I mean, I highly doubt it, but we're just gonna go check it out just to see what's up. Might just end up taking a cruise in our cars and stuff and get maybe get some sunset pics because it actually turned out to be super nice Sunday today. So I head out to Max's out right now. I'll catch you guys there. Okay, so with Max now, so what's up?
What's up, guys?
So, oh, Soupy Gang.
Soupy Gang.
I didn't even look! Motherfucker. Okay, so we're heading up to Lundy's Lane right now just to see, we're literally like right here just to see if there's a car meet going on here.
They got stuff.
Oh, there it is.
They got stuff. They got stuff.
There is a car meet happening here. I was literally, oh dude, there's that blue BRZ.
There's so much shit here. Holy shit.
Oh, and dude, and a BRZ coming in as well.
I would have risked my lifters to be here with my car.
I literally thought we were gonna come here and there's gonna be like maybe 5 cars or something.
Yeah, something like that. Holy, there's a lot of people here. Look at all this stuff.
Should I park next to the other BRZ?
Yeah, I think that's the move with the bigger wing. Oh, that's definitely.
Fuck it, might as well, you know.
Might as well.
Twinning, you know.
Look at that.
All right, so maybe it parked a little bit ahead, but whatever, fuck it. So BRZ's got a twin now.
He's got a cool little splitter on his.
Shit, see, I need that.
Yeah.
I need that splitter for my car.
That splitter.
See, yeah, you like you.
Oh yeah, because it's the SS.
Oh no, the cop's gonna ruin it.
Too much noise. Too much noise.
And
he's gonna turn out that way, just so he can wait for people to leave.
Oh yeah, no, they're gonna catch like one guy leaving or something.
That's awesome that there's this many people. I feel like there's never.
Well, I know, cause that's what I was saying. I thought, I was thinking like we were gonna come. Me and Max were gonna come here. I thought like literally maybe there'd be like 10 cars, cause I didn't know if like.
No, there's a lot.
Oh, but he's got the bike rack on the STI. That's pretty sick, actually. I always kept saying me and Max have been dying to go to car meet like forever. So finally. I mean, well, this meet happens like all the fucking time. Like, it's not like technically a registered meet and shit.
No, it's just something that people keep coming to.
Yeah.
It's great.
Well, Max will have his Camaro out soon enough.
Yes, I will try for next Sunday.
Because I know you guys haven't seen Max's Camaro since we did the cruise in it in November, but he's got new wheels and tires, but he's getting new tires because these new ones you have are kind of bald, you said?
The backs are too small, and one of them has a small leak in it.
So what do you have, 275s in the rear?
No. It's only 245s.
Dude, I have thicker tires than Max. I have 255s in the rear, but I have 225s up front.
This is finding what fits my car. Because now it's all by ear, like it's all memories in that. You can't look up stuff for my car. So
well, you don't think you'll ever have rubbing issues, will you? Or
I have a little bit of rubbing issues, a little bit here down the front. Look at that paint on that.
Yeah, this guy got it wrapped. It's like a mint green color. Yeah. It looks fucking dope.
I never liked that green.
Oh, Max, look at that truck over there.
Oh, that's adorable. That's like a little mini truck, but it's slam.
Thanks, Max, if you guys don't know, Max has a thing for lower trucks. You know most people lift it like that. Yeah. Max lowers the truck.
That's what you want.
Yeah, see, it's like the two different styles instead. Lowered or lifted?
I respect lifted too. I'm not talking shit. I'm just saying I like.
It's just everyone's got a different preference. That's all. Those almost kind of look like your wheels.
Yeah, these are like the exact same with my Camaro, but a little bit smaller.
Yo, this thing is nice. He's even got the. Holy shit!
Like notch the frame and everything.
That's nice.
It's like bags, man. That's sick.
That's a sick setup.
Manual. Oh, this.
Even he's got the brisk can to match the color of the car. Oh, wouldn't be a car without a CA Corvette. That thing looks.
They're still very nice.
What's that white piece on the? Something gets stuck on his wing there. Is that white piece?
No, it's a V6.
See, V6, but I appreciate the V8. Dude, it's got my wheels. I mean, I wouldn't say they're my wheels, but like the wheels that I run on my car on this 300 ZX. That's sick though. I haven't seen one of these in forever.
Oh, I know.
I think the last time I saw one of these was like a silver one or something.
It's so clean too. The last one I saw was like garbage.
Honestly, like
loud as fuck.
The underglow on this GTR. Oh, another Soupy Gang. Oh, is no one gonna rip it out of here?
I know, it's surprised.
What is that? The Mustang?
Yeah, it's that Mustang with the big ass tires.
Miata, dude.
Miata.
Ooh, was that the Jetta? Dude, even... Oh, really? Dude, even the mint green FRS is the same fast wheels as I do.
Yeah.
All right. All right, Max, what'd you think of the meet tonight?
I thought it was dope. I really did.
Honestly, I didn't realize 2 FRS BRZs with the same fast FC wheels that I'm running, and a Nissan 300ZX that I seen with it too. So they're a pretty common wheel. I think they're a lot common more now since I've had, because I remember before I got these wheels like 2 years ago, I remember like only seeing them on one car before, and then now I feel like everyone's running them and shit.
Yeah, everybody has them.
But maybe I might switch. If I do wrap my, let's say guys, if I wrap my car orange, I think I want to swap these silver wheels out for bronze.
Yes.
I think
bronze would be nice. Bronze,
with the black roof and stuff
or
too.
Whatever that version of gold is that they come with. Like it's not gold, it's not shiny and obnoxious, but it's kind of.
Yeah, it's you know what it is. But okay, so we're gonna leave the meet now. We'll get a little rip on camera, so I'll rip down that way and shit. Hopefully, I don't get fucking pulled over by a cop.
I don't.
Fuck, the guy was driving so goddamn slow.
Yeah, I know. Holy shit. You're giving it your all, and he's just cruising.
Well, yeah, 'cause he's like going so slow. I fucking hate you who drive slow down this road.
People really do drive. It's not all, man. You get a lot of old people here too.
Yeah,
a lot of old people.
All right, guys. So I'm back home from the car meet now, and so one of the things that fucked up. So back home, my light setup was like not working and shit, and there was like a fucking like connection loose. So I thought, literally again, I thought I broke my what is it? I thought I broke my stupid light setup again. I thought I had to go to, I'm like, great, now I gotta go order another thing from Canadian Tire, because it was literally only showing red, and every other color I pressed on, it would just like turn other things off. But of course, one of the stupid connections was loose because I had another fucking pothole again. So just my luck, right? All right, guys, so it's gonna end it for here. I'm gonna start editing this video right as quickly as possible to get it for you guys so you can view it for tomorrow. And yeah, so that was a lot of fun. Actually, I was surprised actually how many people were at the Lundy's Lane meet. So definitely gonna be going there every Sunday till the end of summer. And hopefully as like the summer progresses, more people will be there, and then Max can bring his car out, and then we'll get Josh, the whole squad, with us next Sunday and everything. So it'll be a fun time. Yeah, there's a lot of cool cars there and everything. But anyways, that's gonna do it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud nine, and this line is never on vacation. Start up that Maserati and zoom, zoom, I'm racing. Popping pills in that lobby, and I pray they don't find her naked. And I pray you niggas is hating. Shooters go after Judas. Jesus Christ, if I live